Taming the Chaos. How the Keter Westwood Deck Box became the hero of outdoor storage. Ever find yourself battling the endless chaos of outdoor clutter? Garden tools, pool toys, and patio cushions seem to have minds of their own, turning your once serene backyard into a frustrating mess. Worse, that sudden rainstorm or blazing sun always seems to strike at the worst time, leaving your precious items vulnerable to damage. What if there were a solution, a stylish, weatherproof storage unit that could organize your space, protect your belongings, and even double as extra seating? That's where the Keter Westwood 150-gallon deck box enters the story, ready to transform your outdoor experience. Enter the Keter Westwood Deck Box, the ultimate multitasker your patio dreams of. With a massive 150-gallon capacity, it swallows up all your outdoor essentials, from bulky patio cushions to gardening tools. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant resin, this box isn't just storage, it's your outdoor guardian, shielding contents from rain, snow, and UV rays. Unlike flimsy alternatives, its elegant wood-like texture blends seamlessly with any backyard decor. And the best part? It doubles as sturdy bench seating for 2 adults, giving you both functionality and style. Finally, outdoor clutter has met its match. What makes the Keter Westwood Deck Box stand out? Let's talk features. The automatic easy opening mechanism ensures effortless access, even when your hands are full. The lockable lid adds security, keeping curious critters and prying eyes at bay. Its sleek, flat surface isn't just practical, it doubles as a tabletop for drinks, snacks, or outdoor games. And while other boxes warp or fade, this one is built to last. Customers rave about its ability to keep contents dry and ventilated, preventing mold or mildew. It's not just a storage box, it's a thoughtfully designed solution for modern outdoor living. Investing in the Keter Westwood Deck Box means investing in peace of mind. Imagine the time you'll save by having all your essentials neatly stored and ready to go. Forget replacing flimsy covers or disposable storage, this deck box is built for the long haul. Its versatility as storage and seating saves you money on extra outdoor furniture, making it a smart, cost-effective addition. At 61 inches long, it's spacious yet compact enough to fit into any backyard or patio layout. Durable, stylish, and functional, the Westwood proves that quality doesn't have to break the bank. So, what's the verdict? The Keter Westwood Deck Box isn't just a product, it's a problem solver, designed to bring order, convenience, and style to your outdoor life. Say goodbye to clutter, damaged belongings, and the constant search for seating. With this deck box, you'll reclaim your space, simplify your routine, and elevate your patio game. Whether you're hosting friends, relaxing solo, or simply trying to keep things tidy, the Westwood is your ultimate ally. Ready to tame the chaos and redefine your outdoor space? The Keter Westwood Deck Box is here to make it happen.